Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amina Rahman. I hope you're all doing amazing, doing fine. I don't know which day I'm going to be posting this video, so I hope you enjoy it. I'm not doing a voiceover for this video. I'm having problem with my audio quality. Personally, I don't like how it sounds when I listen to the voiceover. If you like it, you can let me know the audio quality is okay. I know the video quality is awesome because it's 4K. Back to the topic. In today's video, I want to do a little bit of an introduction to what you are going to be watching, so that way you are interested, you keep on watching, and if you're not interested, just skip and watch something else. In today's video, we're going to be going through Switzerland on a rubber boat in River Aare or Audi. I don't know how to pronounce it. The journey was supposed to take 4 hours because something happened. I started to see Jesus Christ on a motorbike. I was seeing Jesus everywhere, and I was like, Jesus, I don't want to die in this cold river. First of all, I couldn't swim in the river because it was ice cold water. That's how the cold is in Switzerland. I'm getting used to it, but anyways, wanted to go to IKEA is the meatballs. Like everybody in Europe talks about the meatballs of IKEA, how delicious they are. So I was like, damn. In Menorca, where I come from, we also have an IKEA. Our IKEA in Menorca has no restaurant. Our IKEA in Menorca is so small. If you like something inside there, they have to ship it to you, which is understandable because I live on a small island. So in IKEA, I didn't try the meatballs. We did buy that shelf over there for my clothes because I don't have a place where to put my clothes. We also did buy the bed sheet. I also like the quality of IKEA. I think it's worth the money. I think if you really want to have like a nice home. I hope you enjoy my video and thank you very much for the love and for the support. And I have so many things that I want to talk about with you, and I think I will do a sit-up. Okay, first of all, I want to do a sit-up of explaining my travels and all the places I visit and how I calculate the money which I never have, how I organize myself to travel like a little bit around, but I have no time. Like every time I'm jumping to places. A lot of people asked me like if I could do video about Bali, how much I spent, where I went, and it's still coming, so like just be patient with me, please. And yeah, I love you so much. I am happy. I have never been happier than before, and I hope my happiness keeps on being like this. And yeah, thank you for watching.